We are being told that there is only one way that any woman, because she is a woman, should follow, and that is motherhood. And our imagination is being occupied by this only allegedly one road, and we don't even want to talk about the possibilities that women might regret it. We don't want to talk about the possibilities that women may not be mothers and will not regret it. We just talk about this one road that is divided to two. Women who will not be mothers will surely regret. Mothers never regret. And in this book, I'm trying to sketch a more complex roadmaps of flesh and blood lives of women. We exist, all of us. I know that there might be feminists who will see my study as dangerous but I'm not here, I'm not sitting here in a kind of a propaganda against motherhood and in against mothers, against children, or against childbirth. I'm sitting here in the name of calling for more and more women will be able to be the owners of our lives, our bodies, our thoughts, our emotions, our decisions, our fantasies, our dreams. So I will not, I can't, I must not sit here and tell other women what to do.